Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I make my frijoles puercos. They're super easy to make. So if you want to find out how I make them, just keep watching. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.
I have my beans already in the crock pot. And all I did was I cleaned out the beans and then I threw them in here and I put water and some salt and oil and a little bit of an onion. They've been cooking for about 5 hours. They're pretty much done. Okay, once your beans look like this, they'll be super soft. Once they're done, we're going to start by making the chorizo. Okay, now we're gonna get our chorizo and throw it in the pot. Okay, we're gonna let it cook. I didn't put no oil or anything in it. Okay, the chorizo's done. Now we're going to get a blender. Okay, now that we have the beans in the blender, I put some of the water from the beans. Now we're gonna get the chorizo and throw it in here. I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic salt. Not a lot because it already has salt, but you can add a little bit more salt also. Okay, this is what they should look like. Okay, now that we blend our beans, I put a tablespoon of butter in there. And we're gonna throw our beans. Okay, now we're going to get some jalapenos. You can throw little pieces of jalapeno in there, but I'm just gonna throw the juice, some of the juice. And some cheese. I usually like putting mozzarella cheese, but I'm gonna use this one. There's the cheese. I'm gonna mix it. I like to taste it. Let's see. Okay, they're perfect. If you feel like they need a little bit of salt, then just add a little bit more. And that's it. Okay, I hope you guys really enjoyed that video. If you guys did, please don't forget to like it and subscribe. And let me know down below what other recipes you guys would like to see.